sorting robot. We had a series of robots to help with kitchen chores. Part of the electric company team. Just to give you an idea, it's got a base and it spins around, and then there's a crane on the end with a weight indicator that makes it work. Alright, here's my Tinkercad model. I have two servos for the base, one for the crane, and then these are force sensors for weight indicators to determine how heavy the utensil is, and then the base indicator kind of tells when the robot to start. Then I have some LEDs over here just for troubleshooting and something to see when the robot is actually working. I'll start with my code here, just declaring my variables, my setup, assigning pins to inputs and outputs, and then my loop starts with just some serial print just to see what's going on and figure out how to make the dang thing work. Here's my loop for assigning values from the crane with the crane weight indicator, and then these will turn into degrees turned by the base turntable. I put a switch in here just to make things work a little bit without timers, and so I could make it actually work. We'll start it, let it go. Alright, now I don't have anything going on. We'll add some weight to the box where the utensils are stored, and our crane goes up and our base turntable goes to that area. To assign a weight for an input variable, this will be my knife weight, and I'll turn that on. Come on. And then it turns it to the area to drop the knife off. And I'll turn that off, and it goes back to the base area. And I could turn this down, and they'll both return back to 0, and that will tell that there's no utensils left. But let's add some more here, and we'll show you the rest of them. For a fork, I'm gonna move this up a little bit, turn my switch, and then it goes down. Actually, I went a little too high, that's a spoon, but it drops off in this area, and I'll take my weight off. This will act like a magnet to unlatch, and it'll return back to the pickup area. Let's go down a little bit on this, and we'll close the switch again. And then it's utensil 2, which I assigned as a spoon, well, a fork rather, and you can see the LEDs here. And we'll switch over here. Knife utensil 1 is a knife. We got LEDs showing that. And then my spoon for the third utensil. Alright, turn it all off. And that's my robot. Forgot to scroll through my code. Let's see if I can put these two videos together. Just go slow. Thanks for watching.